Hi guys, you're watching All Cooked Up with me Harsh, and I'm going to show you some simple, easy and fantastic recipes. Today I'm going to show you a vegetarian tortilla lasagna. Very simple and very easy to make. Let's get started. For this vegetarian tortilla lasagna, we need 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion peeled and chopped, 1 red pepper deseeded and chopped, 2 green bird's eyes chilies or regular green chilies chopped with their seeds, 1 teaspoon sea salt flakes, or you can use half a teaspoon of regular salt, 2 tablespoons fresh coriander stalks finely chopped, 800 grams of chopped tomatoes, about 400 ml of water, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Now that is to make the sauce. For the filling, we will need 800 grams of beans cooked and drained. You can leave some of the water if you want. 500 grams of sweet corn, 250 grams of grated cheese of your choice. For this I have used cheddar cheese, 8 soft flour tortilla wraps and 2 tablespoons of soft butter. So first I'm going to show you how to make the sauce for this tortilla lasagna. Basically, to keep in the Mexican flavors, I'm going to call it a salsa. So let's start with heating up the oil. I've taken as little as possible, and once it's ready, add your onions. I need them to get a little translucent or light in color. To your frying onions, add the peppers, the chilies. Now chilies can vary what's the kind of spiciness you like, and keep this at a low heat. We don't want the onions to get burnt or caramelized. Adding the salt and the coriander. The water, this you can keep adjusting depending upon the kind of salsa you like. And now add your tomatoes. Increase the heat and let it simmer, cook till the tomatoes turn really soft. And in the meanwhile, let me show you how we can do the filling. Now for the filling, what you got to do is just mix up the beans and the corn. This is a very innovative recipe. You can do what you like and add what you like with it. I have kept it simple to corn and beans, and give it a good mix. And as your sauce is simmering, you have enough time to even start your oven, keep it warmed up. So I'm going to quickly go and start the oven so it's ready for the tray. So I'm just transfer this into a bigger bowl. Now we're going to add our cheese and garnish it with all the spices and herbs that we have. I'm adding the cheese now. So let me add some cayenne pepper. That depends upon the kind of spicy food you like. Let's give it a good mix so that the cheese, the beans and the corn, the cayenne pepper all mix together and form a nice cheesy filling for your tortilla lasagna. So let me just go and check on the sauce now, see if it's ready. This is almost ready and done. I'm going to add some tomato ketchup at this point to give it a little sweet and little tangy taste. Some people don't like their salsa so chunky, but you do need some chunks of tomato, otherwise your lasagna won't look voluminous. We want it to look nice and big and thick. So I think this is nice and done. Let me stop the heat and get it off the stove. So now you have your sauce ready and the filling ready. Now let's get the lasagna together. Now since this is a Mexican lasagna, I'm not using the Italian pasta. I'm using flour tortillas. Yeah, take an oven-proof dish, very lightly brush it with butter so that it all cooks properly, even at the bottom and on the sides. And you start with spooning some of the sauce that you've made, the first layer. Now I like it little liquidy because that way all the tortillas can soak up the tangy tomato sauce, the salsa. And I'm going to put the first layer of tortilla right at the bottom. Then we're going to put our corn and bean with cheese filling and another layer of tortillas. I'm going to put 2 so that the entire bowl is covered up. Once again, the sauce, the salsa. Ensure that all the tortillas are nice and wet with the salsa. You don't want a dry lasagna, doesn't taste good. Some of the filling. See, I'm slowly starting to fill up the sides as well, the place where there are no tortilla. And then you keep alternating with the tortillas and the sauce and the filling. We've come to the top of our lasagna and I'm going to smother it with all the sauce that I have. You can also use jalapenos. I've not used it in this recipe, but that's a great variation. And top it off with the remaining cheese. Put a little butter on the top so that the top layer of the lasagna cooks really well. So let me pop this into the oven. So my lasagna is out of the oven, perfectly baked as you can see. So let's cut this up into nice big chunks and serve them. I'm going to go in for the lasagna. So good. Don't forget watching All Cooked Up for my simple, easy vegetarian recipes. Don't forget to press the like button because I know you like this and what I've shown. And don't forget to subscribe so you can continuously know what I'm cooking up, right? See you later, alligator.